What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. At the risk of sounding like some country song, what a great day to be alive. We have some 60-degree temps going on today here in Colorado. It's December 21st. People are out golfing. I'm out riding my motorcycle. What are you up to? Lately, a topic that's been coming up on YouTube has to do with what you're carrying on your bike. Your tools, your parts. Well, today, I'm going to go through what's in my bags. Figure of speech, because I got two. I got one here, and I got one here. My saddlebags, that is. It would appear that gentleman is smuggling some snow. Awesome. We're going to find ourselves a suitable place to pull over and do a little look in the bags. These spots right here ought to do. Alright guys, let's see what I carry in my saddlebags. Carrying a bungee cargo strap. Tool bag, we'll get into that in a minute. Carrying some extra bulbs. Also carrying a USB adapter that I could plug into my battery tender so I could charge my phone or devices. I don't know why a lot of people are making a big deal about USB charge ports being on bikes lately, when for a couple bucks you could buy one of these and just plug it into your battery tender down here and have yourself a charge port. I also carry a cable lock. There'll be times when I leave my helmet on my bike and I'll just run it down through the helmet and around the crash bar. Of course, I take my GoPro off. And on the other side, I'm carrying some rags. It's good to have some in case you have to work on the bike alongside of the road. I'm carrying oil. I tend to put things in Ziploc bags. That way if the cap pops off, I don't have a mess inside of my saddlebags. I'm carrying some transmission fluid because this bike, well, lately it would seem I have a transmission shifter shaft seal leak, and it will leak about an ounce, maybe an ounce and a half every 400 miles or so. So I'll just stop and top her off. Also good to have some throwaway paper funnels. I actually won these at my local Harley shop in a raffle. Couple bucks, you get 3 in a pack. They're handy, they're small, you could tuck them away. And now onto my tool bag, the actual bag. You'll see, again, I'm all about the Ziploc bags. I don't like things leaking all over my tools or in my saddlebags. In here I have some Loctite, some anti-seize, and some black gasket maker. Zip ties, good to have. Pliers, needle nose pliers, cutting pliers. My screwdriver here. I like my screwdriver to serve a couple masters. So I carry a screwdriver that I could easily change tips. Instead of carrying 7 different screwdrivers, I carry 1. Handy to have. Adjustable wrenches, I carry 2. Small ratchet driver, 1/4 inch. All the different sockets I could possibly need. Spark plug wrench. I'm carrying a combo 1/2 and 9/16 open end. Little 10mm electrical tape. Of course, blade. Wire brush. Want to clean off those spark plugs in case they're dirty. This is a pick. I usually keep tape on the tip so I don't stab through anything in my bag, especially that black gasket maker. This big screwdriver, this big flathead, well, this was a road gift. I found this along the road one day, so I figured, it's a sign, leave it in the bag. Another specialized wrench, extension, a little bit larger extension. You might be asking yourself, well, why the 1/4 inch ratchet driver? Well, I'll use an adapter so I could adapt up. I use this 1/4 inch driver just to shave weight down in my bag. Everything you see here on the ground, it weighs about as much as 2 full quarts of oil. So, I've really simplified my toolkit. Everything serves a purpose. I really don't have doubles of anything that I don't need. And there it is. That's the long and short of it. That's what I travel with. That's what I have in my saddlebag always. Just in case. There may be more things that you have in your bags. By all means, leave a comment down in the comment section and tell me what you carry on top of this. All right, well, we're all buttoned back up. Let's hit the road. Huh. Who knew Santa drove a convertible? Anyway, this section of road we're on now, leads down to entrance number 1. We didn't see this on my last Red Rocks video, but it's going to exit us down by Dinosaur Ridge. That's that slope right there off on the horizon. You could hike up that, see dinosaur foot tracks. You used to be able to drive up there, but they closed the road down a couple of years ago. Now you just park down below and take your walk up. Well, guys, that's what I carry in my bags. That's what I have with me when I'm on the road. If you like the channel, by all means subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. It won't hurt my feelings. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my day. And I hope you do the same. Hello. Before I get taken out here, I just want to say thanks again for watching the video, and until next time, ride safe.